So guys, this is my desk setup right now. I'm currently still working on it. You know, I got a couple controllers, PS4 controllers as well. I've been using a PS4 controller lately because I've been playing a lot of COD. So, you know, PS4 controllers are kind of good for COD. This is my phone, by the way. This is basically my daily driver. Look at the Cocoa Butter print on my phone. That's beautiful. It's an iPhone XS Max. I'm waiting for the 12 to come out. I'm gonna definitely get the 12. But yeah. This is still Series Apex keyboard, 10 keyless. So I'll link everything in the description. Everything here will be linked. Everything, like from the lava lamp to the keyboard to the mouse. I don't know what this is. Give me a second, guys. But so these are two 27-inch monitors, basically 144 hertz frames, both of them, both 144 hertz from AOC. They're good monitors. They're not the best, but they're A-okay for me. I'm not like a freaking pro yet, so I don't need the best. Logitech webcam is the 720C. I'll look that up. I'll link it in the description. I really don't know what webcam that is, but I used to use it. I don't use it no more, so I don't know. This is my desktop, by the way. This is you know, Batman, you feel me? He's looking kind of cute. This takes up a lot of CPU usage if you want to do this. Plus, I have COD running in the background, so yeah, my computer can handle it surprisingly, you know. But I have a good graphics card. I got a 5700 XT in my card. Look how quick this updates. It's fucking ridiculous. Like, when you get good internet and stuff like that, you know, you can do stuff like that, you feel me? But on my second computer, I got my gameplays playing in the background. Behind me is my TV. It's a 55-inch Samsung 4K Ultra HD UHD TV. It's a good TV for the price, I guess. Got my Xbox One S, you know, I love it. I'm an Xbox player, as you can see, you feel me? But I don't play Xbox no more. I mainly play on my PC. Xbox is for when I'm bored, I want to play arcade games mainly. And this is my Ikea lamp. It's called Aurora. Hey Google, turn on Aurora.
Sure, turning on Aurora.
It's beautiful. You see it like that, bro. Hey Google, turn on lamp 2. That's lamp 2 right there. If Google would be so kindly to do so.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Hey Google, turn on lamp 2.
Sorry, it looks like lamp 2 isn't available right now.
So Google just doesn't give a fuck right now. So she usually turns it on for me when I ask, but you know, Google could turn on anything and everything in my room, basically. TV, Xbox, lamps, all of the shit, all of the stuff here. I have to cut that out. So my PC right now has a 5700 XT in it. That's the GPU. CPU i5 9600K. RAM is about 32 gigabytes of RAM. See, there's different RAM sticks in my case right now because I've been testing out different types of RAM. And I put the other two pieces, because it's a set of 4 Corsair sticks, Vengeance. I put 2 in my streaming PC, and then the old 2 from the streaming PC came into the gaming PC, and it's been working fine. But it gives like the gaming PC a little bit more RAM, a little better. So 32 gigs in here. Gaming PC, you quite can't see, but it does have a glass case, kinda. It has I think it has an i3 8100 and a GTX 1660 Ti. It's loaded, so like both of the computers are pretty good. iPad mini up here. I use this iPad for, like, I don't want to say just for games, but I just use it like games, notes, Instagram when I want to upload like pictures, videos, stuff like that. Also use it to watch my streams, playback, see if the stream is going well, you know. Gotta keep Batman in the cut. He's really with it. Drop your ass and don't forget it. My AirPods, I use them sometimes. I don't really use them a lot, but like when I'm going out, I throw them on. Not all the time. little background. You see, got little plants up here, and this is for my memory cards for my camera, so I could just put them in the computer, edit videos right up. Whoa, what is this doing here? That's for my candles. Yeah. So you got a couple Xbox PS4 controllers. My mouse is a Logitech Lightspeed 53000 to be exact. I think this keyboard's a Key Move keyboard, about $55, $50. I like how it sounds. That's the only reason I bought it. Not really, but I was just looking for a cheap keyboard for my stream PC. This is my Google Home, controls everything in my room. This is what connects to my camera. This is what powers it, and this is what connects it to the computer, so I could stream with my camera. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful camera. It's a M50, by the way. This is what connects my Xbox controllers, so I could get less input lag, so I can play a little faster. You feel me? This is the mouse. Look how dirty it is. I have to clean this shit. Autofocus. G602. Logitech mouse. It's a gaming mouse, but I don't really game on my mouse and keyboard. I use controllers, as you can see. I have my Elite controller. I sent it back to Microsoft. It's getting fixed right now. But I love the keyboard though. SteelSeries, wonderful keyboard. SteelSeries alone. SteelSeries, if you want to sponsor me, hit me up at Gmail. My Gmail will be in the description. So just know. Just know if you hit me up. I'm sending you an email right away. But I also got a SteelSeries headset here, by the way. It's the, I don't know, are these the Pros? These are not the Pros. These are the SteelSeries 7s, I think. Also, I have, these are the headsets I used to use before. It was, Corsair, but, they were okay. They're not the best headset, but they're not the worst. They were good for the time being. The mic was beautiful. The quality on the mic was beautiful. And, this is my internet, box. My router modem. This modem I purchased by myself, and the router I purchased by myself, because the internet company I have, Courier, they didn't have the right boxes for the speeds. So this is a 1 gigabyte connection right here, and this hub right here, that modem, router is beautiful. It reaches everything through the house. I don't need extenders. Be downstairs in the kitchen, still have Wi-Fi. And I think that's about it, to be honest. I've seen the mouse, the keyboard, the desk, basically, lava lamp, my Nerf guns. You know, gotta keep it on me. Said I got it on me. Yeah. I really don't use that webcam, by the way, for anything. We could do a giveaway with it. Whoever really needs a webcam, just type in the comments. I'll send it to you. No charge, just free. But yeah, 2 PCs, 2 monitors, 2 keyboards, 2 mice, 1 Google Home, 1 lava lamp that my beautiful girlfriend gave me. And don't forget what my beautiful girlfriend made. That's me and her on top of me, Xbox controller, Versace, Fortnite. And I play a lot of Fortnite, by the way. You see, you can tell I play a lot of Fortnite. Got the videos running in the back. This is just a draw I got from, I don't know if I got it from Ikea or I don't know. It's a good draw. That draw I got Michael Jordan chilling in the back. Let's get some light on him here. Michael Jordan chilling in the back. My dream car is, that's not my dream car, but it's my second dream car. I say my first dream car is a McLaren P1, but this is my second dream car, Tesla Model X. Tesla Model X Performance Pack.